You ever wrote a code that technically works but takes longer than next ice age to finish? That's time complexity, your code's secret enemy. Let's learn about it a bit more. What is it? Time complexity is how fast your program works as input grows. Think of eating one pizza, constant time O of 1, eating 100 pizza, time taken to eat one pizza multiplied by no of pizza, O of n. Choking after eating this much pizza, O of n squared. There are some types in it. O of 1, fast, constant, doesn't care about input size. Think of it like you are searching something and you find it on one try. That's it. O of n, slower, depends on input size. Think of it like you are guessing an answer out of a lot of question you guess correct at last try, or even you don't guess it. That is when this time complexity happen. O of n squared, you are using two nested loops, and you are doomed. O of log n. This is the hacker move. Instead of checking every item, you just keep slicing the problem in half. Boom, 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 until it's done. Like searching for your crush's Instagram by guessing letters instead of scrolling endlessly. Why it even matters? Well, try that bubble sort, which might look cute now. Try 1,000,000 items and your laptop will start smoking. Learn time complexity now, or your loop will loop you out of your job interview.